Welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend, the best host in the world, Scott. So guys, today we're checking out this heart rate smartwatch. So let's go ahead and see what different features that they offer. So here we go. Woo! Alright guys, so this is what you get. So this is for charging, and then you have, oh, they actually give you two charging cables. This is it. So nice silicone wristband. So long press to turn on. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. So basically you just simply connect it. So you would take this end here, and it is magnetic, so it connects just like that. And then all you have to do is plug this into any USB port. You can use a power bank if you want with this. So we just plug it in like that. And now it's turning on. Pretty cool, cool design. So, okay, so that's just charging. So if we press and hold it, it should power on. There we go. So again, guys, make sure you check out your manual for the app and other features with this. So there's going to be tons of features that we obviously can't go through. So make sure you check out the manual that they provide for you. So we're just showing you guys how it looks. As you guys see, I'm very familiar with smartwatches. I love them. So it might not turn on with it being charged. So we take it off. There we go. So download the app. So download the app on your phone, and there's going to be a QR code that's on the other side that you're going to want to connect to. So once you do that, guys, you go to the next step. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we synced it up. So we still have a lot more to sync and do, but as you guys can see here, you can go through all these different things. You got all types of measuring. You know, if you're going for a run or something, now you can add all these different modes to your smartwatch, which is crazy. So if you're doing any of these workouts, you would just tap it so it can register better. And again, you have so many different options here. It's pretty crazy. You can change your front. Then you got all this different stuff: health data, exercise record, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, breathing training, sleep, weather, music, stopwatch, alarm, timer, find phone, settings. I mean, it is crazy. There's do not disturb, there's just watch face, there's dimming, power off, restart, reset, about. And I'm telling you guys, this is just, it's not even all of it. So you would just tap to go under that menu. And again, it's crazy. You can get notifications from your phone. You got all these other modes in here as well. So there's just so much you guys can do with this. It is absolutely pretty awesome what you get with this. So if you guys are looking for a smart tracker watch, this is definitely something pretty cool that I think you guys are going to enjoy and love. And we haven't even showed the app. So I don't like to give away Easter eggs and give away stuff. So guys, check out the app. If you guys thought the watch looks cool, wait till you see the app, my friends.